We're moving right out of Babylon, and we're grooving to our Father's land. How good and how pleasant it would be before God and man, yeah, to see the unification of all Africans. As it's been said already, let it be done, yeah. I tell you who we are under the sun. We are the children of the Rastaman. We are the children of the fireman. So Africa unite, 'cause the children wanna go home, yeah, yeah. Africa unite, yeah. Unite, for it's later than you think. Unite for the benefit of your children. Unite, for it's later than you think. Africa awaits its creator. Africa, Africa, Africa. Thank you.